Look at all the history here, people living here. Looks like you can go in. Anybody home? Start of our big trip. This is Primm, Nevada. They have 3 hotels here. Only one's still open, and it's a little scary. But at least we did get to spend the night, so. This place used to be hopping. Got Billy over there. We parked up on, so you can see how busy it is. So many cars they have in here. We parked on the 3rd level. We didn't see one car the whole time. And we told security they're going to keep an eye on the truck for us. Nice of them, huh? Hey, here's a couple cars. Okay, we got off at Nipton Road. I think this is part of the California Southern BDR over this way. So we're gonna ride this a little bit. Look at that back there. One time it took us 4 hours to get from right there to here. Yeah, the bridge washed out up here. It was only 1 lane. It was fun. Check out that old place. Or what this used to be. Look at all the history here, people living here. Looks like you can go in. Anybody home? Go upstairs. Wow.
The hell? That's kind of creepy.
You don't like that? There's the rest of it over there.
Everybody's headless.
Oh, now you're getting creepy. Found an old mine. We're gonna walk over there.
Good.
Where are you going, bike? Well, here's the mine. We don't know what it is, where it is. This must be a shaft. Woo! That's deep. Holy. Can you see the bottom? I can't see the bottom. Man, it is down there. Kind of scares me. Find some gold? Don't fall in there. It is down there. Had some rails. Looks like it's partially collapsed. That's just where I was. What they must have done. And of course, I'm just speculating. Is brought it here, drug it all the way to the top there, then brought it down for dumping in the trucks. Yeah, look at that. Can't see myself. Must have it off. Screen's off. What's going on? We found this coal mine. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Must have drove a truck back here. Dumped it in the truck. Probably, what, 100 years ago maybe? Might be some gold under there. Looks like they might have a pack rat in there. Alright. Let's go to the next one. Maybe that's his house over there. Okay, I wasn't filming, but this is Billy's mark right here. He got a little one on the wild side. I go, he's gonna save it. He's gonna crash. He's gonna save it. He's gonna crash. He saved it. He didn't fall. But I didn't get it on video, which sucks. But we got it documented. We can see the tracks. It's a little soft there in the middle, Billy. Gotta stay on the edges. So here's the solar farms. I think they're all decommissioned now. I don't think they're in operation anymore. I don't know if it killed too many birds or what. All of these are facing up. I think these are just all mirrors, and it directed the sunlight to that central tower over there, which generated the heat. I think it was steam power, but I'm not sure. Anyways, they're gone. And now I got it in rally mode. I'm not sure what that means. See if I hit my adjuster, see how that's going up and down. We'll see how that works. We'll try 3 first. We're heading up to the gnarly part. I mean, that's what Billy said, it's gnarly. I think I do remember seeing it on the BDR Southern video. They're having a little trouble. I guess it's kind of steep and rocky, so we'll see. It's like they're pulling some pipe out. Might be a little soft going through here. Little soft. Actually, it's not too bad. Okay, it's over. Excitement's over. So I'm not sure if this is the gnarly part or not. I mean, if it is, obviously they fixed it, because they've been working on this road, pulling that pipe out. So they might have fixed it, which is, I guess, good. Might have deterred people from doing it. I guess we'll see. If I find it, I'll let you know. I think this is the gnarly part. So far it's not too bad. Just a little rocky. But I was thinking they said the uphill was the bad part, so we're going downhill. So this part's easy. Easy peasy. Till it's not. It is a little rocky. We just went to the mine. That was cool. It's pretty deep. You can't get in there anymore. I mean, at least not legally. That was fun. It's like they're doing work out here. Like an old building right there. Another cactus growing in there. That's cool. Little place for a fire. peeing?
Gotta pee.
Need some tires?
What's that?
Need some tires?
Yeah, I was struggling seeing there, but my visor don't come down, and the sun was jacking with my vision.
I know. I need to get a new helmet and a jacket.
Yeah, I don't have enough blocking that sun.
I got a birthday coming up.
What's that?
So I got a birthday coming up. If you want to buy me something, I'll keep my eye open for a tortoise.
Tortoise? Yeah, we haven't seen a tortoise yet.
Yeah, I was gonna do a bunny hop off of them. A boat! What's that doing over here? What? Shady lady? What's the shady lady doing out here?
Kinda crazy.
That's a weird place to drop a boat. Strange, huh? Okay, we're going down to China Ranch Date Farm. We're gonna get some dates. I don't need a date. I don't know if Billy does. We're gonna find him a date. Well, they got a good road going to the date farm. Got 3 cars exactly the same just passed. That's weird. That's weird. $15 miles an hour. Oh, what happened to the good road? Now I gotta eat Billy's dust. Caution 15. Wow. Got some washouts right there. Cool in here. Unless it's raining, then you might be in trouble. And then you're all water. Wonder what they got climbing up there. It's like a little game trail. Certainly not a tortoise. Uh-oh. Hey, they got... ancient people lived here at one time. The Mayans. Maybe the Chinas. Hey, I see some dates. Gonna get a date shake. That's cool in here. Very cool. Not temperature wise, scenic wise, very cool. See the date, farm? Gift shop. The products available at the gift shop. I think he wants a picture. Nope, the birds must eat them. Crows. Slow down. Pedestrian ahead. Straight ahead, straight ahead. Kit Carson. Soldier. So he's the one that they named the Carson City after? The battle? Whoa.
That thing can be very dangerous.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
There you go.
Let's just do this all together. I'm gonna do your smoothie. That's the.
We're doing this all together? Is that what you said?
Join
the class.
And then you girl, and they're about how big?
Get in line. Get a hat? You want a hat?
That's cool.
What's that? It's cool, whatever it is. Fool's gold. Come on in here. Come on back here. Find what you want. Fossils. Wow. Look at the whole thing. It's 500, 300 bucks. You want it? I'd buy it, but it won't fit on my bike.
That's heavy. That's cool. That's easily worth 300 bucks.
That's what I thought. I thought it'd be worth a little more than that.
Yeah. That's cool. This is a neat place.
Yeah, and you didn't want to come back here. I was like, we gotta go back there.
5 months in a row.
These look good. Date nut chocolate chips and cookies. These are chocolate cookies made with dates. Oh, these are
Found. Or wait. Check out this thing we found. We got our own nice hot bathtub right here.
Holy
And we're gonna camp right here. I think I'm gonna set my tent right there. Where are you putting your tent?
I guess we can camp here.
Why can't we?
That's good.